Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this REALME. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System Settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Keyboard and click on Theme. Over here you can scroll all the way down right away and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. Now click on the theme that you wish to apply. Tap on this switcher next to keyboards to switch them off or on and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always access exactly the same settings and customize it by choosing this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, after picking a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboards and hit Apply. In order to delete one of your themes, click on the chosen one. Tap on this bin icon next to keyboards and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to edit one of your custom ones, tap on it, click on this pen icon next to keyboards and make all of your changes. Then tap on Save and click on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!